That's where an incoming missile.
Video protected.
Whoa, bro! Dog!
I don't know, but the idiots.
Just stopped. Delivery driver.
I mean, what a place to park. Idiots.
Well, you're going to be able to get that way, aren't you?
Well,
Aren't you?
it shouldn't be parked there, so it's in the way.
Why
I mean, for
why
Christ's
don't you
sake.
park behind this tree here? Right there, by that tree
I
there.
know. Inconsiderate prick.
Don't argue
They really do.
What the hell?
Like between the pilot, between the ground, just bring us into what would be happening.
All out in one in the main bathroom. In my bedroom. That's easy. We get that. Razors.
Holy dude.
Stocky like a chemist who ain't ready for the job. I go VVS bench, my niggas making my life. I got old money and some new money that she put on her show. What's what she
Call 911. Call emergency services.
I went to the bar to get my cigarette for the camera, but I left the record. I knew that when I came back it wasn't going to be gone. Now that I think about it, I actually didn't lie when I told my cousin her record was stolen. I headed to the parking lot where the partying continued. There were couples everywhere. It was 4 a.m. and these people were still at it. At the time, the women didn't look so elegant, the men were not behaving like gentlemen.
Wow.
Start emergency recording.
Patay.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
The question is this revealing something about an individual's abilities, or is it revealing something even deeper, just about humans in general? Because it doesn't necessarily seem to separate the smarty pants people from the dum-dum.
And then I got down to the movie theater. They had taken it away. The movie had been changed. I thought, all right, this is a sign. I don't think I'm supposed to stay here.
I continued to face upward, looking at the other side of the beast. I screamed as my health flashed red. It's pulling me apart. A magic missile slammed into the monster's wings. It circled just above the tree line. It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy grouper potion ball into my free hand. I smashed the sticky, holy water substance against the talon locked onto my chest. The foot sizzled as Sierra screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it'd drop me, but it just pushed harder. Carl. Light! I pulled my second and last potion ball just as the new sun ascended. Donna had scrambled up one of the trees, and she emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a mountain, tiara glittering in the new light. I attempted to heave the potion ball up at the dinosaur's chest.
WIN to 5757. This works, trust me. It's going to cost $250. You got to be over 18, and you're playing across the Go Loud network of stations. All terms are on our website if you want to check them out, and that's todayofm.com. So entries in by 3 this afternoon.
Ano siya?
Kasi naman.
So that's a clip, that's 349, that's a clip.
For details.
Do you have a house that's causing you stress and need to sell it fast? Then keep listening. Hi, I'm Pat with ProSource Home Buyers, and I will make you a fair, as-is, all-cash offer on your house today. No matter the condition, price range, or location, call me, 865-500-3711. Maybe it's inherited, sitting vacant.
Like, you're close. You're close. Yeah, you're right along the line. So it says, strucking is a Gen Z term for dating someone.
You know what, the thing about that one that irks me, first off, anybody out there who thinks they're such hot S-H-I-T, that they are in places, sit there.
What is with people today?
They're not attractive, but I'm going to stay with them because they might trick you. Better check yourself. I just think that is a weird mindset. Right, I'm not saying don't have confidence in yourself.
Turn left onto North Turner Street. Then you'll take your first right onto West Grove Avenue.
Could be driving there. I swear you're an angel.
Turn right onto West Grove Avenue. Then at the next stop sign, you'll turn left.
To deserve you, girl.
Man, this chick, dude.
Take your next right onto West Allen Avenue.
Dumbass.